I'm about to show you how bad is the snow is, and all this week it's gonna be like snowing a lot. And I went outside, I was like, man, this is crazy. Like, I don't know why all them stores, like, they're not closing. Like, all the jobs, they should have been closing, but I guess not. They're all about the dollars, man. That's all that's matter to them. So depuis hier soir, neige a tombé, ok? Un petit bain cette manger là. So depuis hier soir, neige a tombé là. Et neige vraiment en pile, surtout ça que là encore, et puis tout l'autre neige encore a bien tombé sur encore, ça dit. Bah, il vient vraiment en pile là, mais nous là, ok? Et bon, ouais, tout business ouvert, bah, rien que fermé. On va monter nous. Mais voilà, you guys seeing this? This is like, that's about it is. Like, look at that. Ouais, non, window, man, ouais, c'est neige. Bon, pas de même, c'était chargé. Est-ce que nous, ouais, pile neige ça là? Dehors là, il gon vent fouette tout. Je vais tout là, gon vent fouette ensemble avec lui. Mais la rue a pas fin tellement trop bon. La rue a pas fin tellement nettoyé parce que ça. As you guys could see, it's pretty bad. The road, it's not, you know, in a good way, and it's also has like the cold wind, like it's very cold outside. And so this is the front, guys. Okay, look at that. It's getting wet, isn't it? You guys see all this? Like, it's very, this is just insane. Like,